وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are discussing the local anesthetics, and today's topic is the uses of the local anesthetics. Another use is the regional anesthesia. Regional anesthesia is of various types. Either it is a nerve block, it may be intravenous, it may be extradural, or it may be a intrathecal or spinal anesthesia. First of all, what is nerve block? In nerve block, we inject a drug around the nerve and it anesthetizes the specific area. You can see a nerve is targeted and here it is injected in a nerve or around a nerve where it causing the numbness of a particular type of area. Usually, local anesthetic is injected around the nerve trunks, supplying a particular area to anesthetize all nerves coming to that area or leaving that area. It includes the blockade of head and neck, and there are various type of nerves and plexuses like stellate ganglion, trigeminal nerve, cervical plexus, phrenic nerve, upper limbs blockade, for example, brachial plexus and wrist blockade, thorax and abdominal blockade. जहाँ भी एक्सपर्टीज है उसकी वो ये क्या करेगा स्पेसिफिक रीजन को ब्लॉक कर देगा बट द कॉम्प्लिकेशन इज देयर स्पेशली अगर ये ब्रैकियल प्लेक्सस में होगा तो देयर मे बी अ चांस ऑफ pneumothorax. Other type of regional anesthesia is the intravenous regional blockage, which is also called as Bayer blocks. The newer technique, summarized as IVRA, it is indicated for any procedure on the arm below the elbow or leg below the knee. यानी ये उस रीजन के लिए कि अगर हमें ऐसा रीजन करना है, ऐसा कोई सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर करना है जो कि आर्म से नीचे है या लेग के एल्बो से घुटने से नीचे है, आर्म के एल्बो से नीचे है या फिर नी से नीचे है, ठीक है. और the duration of surgery है, it is about 40 to 60 minutes. The drug is administered through intravenous cannula in a distal vein in the limb scheduled for the surgery, and then a pressure is applied to the upper arm or the thigh to localize the effects. यानी जो systemic absorption है उसको stop करने के लिए a tourniquet is applied to the upper arm or thigh. The local anesthetic solution is then slowly injected into the cannula. बहुत आहिस्ता आहिस्ता देंगे. The analgesia will observe within 3 to 4 minutes and the surgery can be commenced. The pressure in the tourniquet must be maintained at least 50 millimeter Fg above the patient's systolic blood pressure. And here the drug of choice is the Prilocaine, as it is the least toxic anesthetics and the largest therapeutic index. If Prilocaine is not available, then Lignocaine is another alternative choice. It is essential that plain and non-adrenaline containing solution are used. Means कि हम इस तरह use करेंगे कि यहाँ adrenaline use ना हो. Bupivacaine should never be used because it is very toxic or a minute amount भी absorb हो जाएगी अगर तो it will be toxic to the myocardium. Furthermore, this procedure is avoided in the sickle cell diseases. The basic principle is that we have to avoid all conditions that encourage the sickling. For example, impairment of we want to avoid hypothermia, hypoxemia, hypovolemia, acidosis, and hypotension. इसमें pressure लगा रहे हैं, so there is a chance of hypoxemia that enhances the sickling. The drug of choice for IVRA is the Prilocaine. This is the illustration of the application of the tourniquet on the arm. यहाँ पे हमने administer की है. And the sphygmomanometer should be reliable one. Maximum dose of lignocaine is normally with adrenaline. The dose is 7 mg per kg, while without adrenaline is 4.5 mg. However, for this procedure, for IVRA, it is 4 mg per kg. Other route are the extradural or the epidural, and here we can choose the region of thoracic, lumbar, and sacral region. It acts on the nerve roots, and there will be no hypotension. So there is a dural matter in between the spinal cord, and above that we will administer the drug. So in epidural anesthesia, the drug is given in the epidural spaces between the dura mater and the bone. With twist needle, specialized needle is required. Twist needle is required. So here we must know that where is the epidural spaces is it. So epidural space extends from foramen magnum to the sacral hiatus, इसीलिए 3 regions को हमने वहाँ select किया है. It is the region of anterior and posterior nerve roots of the epidural veins, spinal nerves, and lymphatic vessels and fats. What are the indications? It is the most common type of anesthesia and it is mainly used for controlling the post-operative pain by continuous epidural catheter administration. All surgeries can be performed जो कि spinal anesthesia में हो सकती हैं. Usually, even upper abdominal surgeries, thoracic surgeries, and even neck surgeries can be performed by the epidural anesthesia. For painless labor, several women want to take injection of this type of anesthesia, or if there is a chronic pain due to cancer and other condition, we will use this type of anesthesia. This is the illustration. You can see the needle is administered in a region where it cannot cross this barrier, rather than it is remain in the epidural spaces. Especially T is required to proper administer the drug in the epidural region. If we compare the spinal and epidural anesthesia, the administration of epidural anesthesia is very difficult and it requires an expert person. इसीलिए ये reliability is very less. Furthermore, onset of analgesic effects is slower, but it can be used for surgery of any duration by inserting an epidural catheter. अगर एक दफा एडमिनिस्टर कर लिया तो कैथेटर एडमिनिस्टर हो जाएगा और फिर हमारे पास ये बहुत ही अच्छा एडमिनिस्टर हो सकता है. एक हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम होती है which is the PGPS, पोस्ट ऑपरेटिव लीकेज की वजह से होता है. वो यहाँ पे नहीं होता. वो लीकेज CSF का लीकेज नहीं होता क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे CSF के अंदर नीडल है वहां नहीं गई है. इसलिए अगर हम कंपेयर करें स्पाइनल एनेस्थीसिया से तो यूजली स्पाइनल एनेस्थीसिया इज हाईली रिलायबल, easier to place because we are checking, we are confirming it by the presence of CSF. There will be the loss of resistance and the onset is very quick. However, the duration is very less. वहाँ पे हम catheter administer नहीं कर सकते. Pre-dosing cannot be performed. और ये जो after the surgery headache है वो बहुत बड़ा problem है spinal anesthesia में. This is the illustration. If we go in detail, what is the spinal anesthesia? It is the blockade of the sympathetic nerve fiber. There will be hypotension. Hypotension हो सकता है. Here the drug is cross to the epidural and the dura mater and reach to the region. This is the epidural spaces with anesthesia, and if it cross it, then this will be the spinal anesthesia. There is injection of local anesthetic in the subarachnoid spaces between the pia and arachnoid method. It is also known as intrathecal administration in the lumbar spinal cord region. Spinal cord ends at lower border of L3 vertebra in children and the lower border of L1 vertebra in adults. So, spinal anesthesia can be safely performed between the L2 to L3 intervertebral spaces in adult and L4 and L5 spaces in the children. In this case, there is a creation of a zone of differential block in which autonomic fibers are mainly blocked at 2 segments higher, and then motor fibers are also blocked at 2 levels lower than the sensory blockade. It is due to different sensitivity of various types of nerve fibers. What types of structures are involved in spinal anesthesia? It involves skin, it involves subcutaneous tissue, it involves supraspinous ligament, interspinous ligament, ligamentum flammum, dura mater, and arachnoid matter. What are the drugs used for the spinal anesthesia? Again, lidocaine, 5% in 7.5% dextrose, heavy or hyperbaric, or bupivacaine, 0.5% in 8% dextrose. What are the indications? Orthopedic surgery of lower limb and pelvis, different type of surgery of lower abdomen, all pelvic and perineal surgeries, hernia, hydrocele, appendix, appendicitis, testicular surgeries, gynecological surgeries, obstetric surgeries, hysterectomy, myomectomy, cervical surgeries, tubectomy, tuboplasty and C-sections. तमाम की तमाम हमारे पास दवाई से जिसमें हम स्पाइनल एनेस्थीसिया देते हैं. Complications is the hypotension because the drug is reached to the systemic circulation. It can be prevented by preloading with the steroid or colloids and treated by a head-lowing position, fluids and the vasopressor and other inotropic agent. Fluids हमें देना पड़ेगा क्योंकि hypotension है, blood pressure low हो रहा है. Other complications है हमारे पास bradycardia, respiratory depression and cardiac arrest, just like the general anesthetic drugs. अब हमारे पास जनरलाइज इफेक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस हो सकते हैं इन केस ऑफ स्पाइनल एनेस्थीसिया. सबसे कॉमन हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम है इसका पोस्ट ऑपरेटिव कॉम्प्लिकेशन इज द हेडेक व्हिच इज कॉल्ड एज पोस्ट ड्यूरल पंक्चर हेडेक. पोस्ट ड्यूरल पंक्चर हेडेक, इट इज मेनली The occipital headache, it occurs after the 12 to 24 hours of the spinal surgery. Why it is happening? Because there is a leakage of the CSF through the hole in the dura mater. जहाँ से इसको एडमिनिस्टर किया था वहाँ पे एक होल हो जाएगा और वो होल आहिस्ता आहिस्ता वहाँ से पोस्ट ड्यूरल पंक्चर हेडेक हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होगी. This can be prevented by using small bore needles, 25 gauge की needles कर सकती है. अगर अब ये हो गया तो what will be the treatment? The treatment consisting of the lying down for 24 hours. यानी patient हिले नहीं रहा था 24 hours तक, बहुत ज्यादा मूव ना करे, बहुत ज्यादा water दिया जाए, fluid, plenty of fluid दिया जाए. Abdominal compression जहाँ पे एडमिनिस्टर किया गया है वहाँ पे कंप्रेस किया जाए एरिया को और होल है उसको सील किया जाए किसी ब्लड पैच के जरिए, कोई मेम्ब्रेन लगा दी जाए, कोई पैच लगा दिया जाए ताकि वहां से CSF बाहर ना निकले. The complications include the urinary retention because of the paralysis of the cranial nerves. There may be infections, meningitis, arachnoiditis, paraplegia, neurotoxicity, and the Cordia equina syndrome. आप इसको चेक करके बताइए सिंड्रोम्स क्या होती हैं, कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें. These are some contraindications for the spinal anesthesia. If there is a raised intracranial pressure, if uncooperative patient, यहाँ पे एडमिनिस्टर करने के लिए बहुत ही स्पेशलाइज टेक्निक की जरूरत है. शॉक अगर है पेशेंट को, ब्लीडिंग डिसऑर्डर है, कोगुलोपैथी है, अगर पेशेंट एंटीकोगुलेंट्स पे है, थ्रोम्बोलाइटिक थेरेपी पे है, इफ देयर इज इन्फेक्शन ऑन द लोकल साइट, सेप्टिसीमिया है. रिलेटिव कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन हमारे पास एओर्टिक प्रॉब्लम्स है, हार्ट प्रॉब्लम्स है, हार्ट ब्लॉक है, या देयर इज स्पाइनल डिफॉर्मिटी, अगर डिसऑर्डर है, एपिलेप्सी है, इन केस में हमारे पास स्पाइनल एनेस्थीसिया कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड होगा.